The dung beetle is the only insect known to navigate using the Milky Way. According to a study from Lund University, these beetles roll dung balls in a straight line by orienting to the galaxy's bright band of stars. Researchers found they can use the Milky Way even on moonless nights, relying on polarized light patterns. In fact, experiments showed a 90% success rate in straight-line travel under a full starry sky, but only 15% when the sky was overcast. Scientists discovered that dung beetles don't track individual stars, but use the entire galactic glow as a compass. Subscribe for more mind-blowing nature facts.